Good morning, children. Lesson 13. Yesterday, those who have not attended the Zoom class, for them I am briefing. Chemical reactions में acylation we had seen. So 1 degree and 2 degree amine, acid chloride, anhydride or ester by nucleophilic substitution reaction. Acylation कौन देते हैं? 1 degree and 2 degree amine give acylation reaction. ठीक है. And 1 degree and 2 degree amine have a tendency to react with acid chloride, anhydride or ester with nucleophilic substitution reaction. So first reaction we will see, that is C2H5NH2, that is ethanamine plus CH3COCl. So you see this lone pair of electron, it is going to carbon, and ये वाला जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है डबल बॉन्ड वाला इलेक्ट्रॉन, इट इज कमिंग टू ऑक्सीजन. सो ऑब्वियसली नाइट्रोजन विल बी पॉजिटिव चार्ज्ड, ओके, एंड देन this oxygen will be negative charge. Then in this step this intermediate product is formed. This electron again goes there, this bonded pair of electron comes here, and this bonded pair of electron goes to chlorine. So in short, this H and this Cl, it will form HCl, right? और बाकी की चीज़ें as such we have to write. So it has become N-ethyl ethanamide. Next is C2H5N C2H5H, means it is N-ethyl ethanamine. Okay. So plus CH3COCl. So again H and Cl will be separated and it will give us H plus HCl. And C2H5N C2H5CO CH3 acylation is there. So it is known as NN, देखना ध्यान से, NN diethyl ethane amide. Now it is amide. ये amide नहीं है बेटा, ये amide हो गया. CONH means amide. Okay, so it is amide. Next is, if aniline reacts with CH3, this is known as ethanoic anhydride. Ethanoic anhydride. Okay, it is also written as CH3CO twice, CH3CO twice O. Okay, so it reacts with ethanoic anhydride and it will give us C6H5. ये देखो C6H5NH, C double bond O CH3 plus CH3COOH will be separated out. So लिखेंगे here plus CH3COOH, that is ethanoic acid. And this compound is known as N-phenyl ethanamide. N-phenyl ethanamide. Okay. Then CH3NH2, that is methanamine, reacts with, this is benzoyl chloride. So it will react and form N-methyl benzoamide. इस बार C6H5 के साथ CONH लगा है, इसलिए the name of the compound is N-methyl benzoamide. Understood? The next test we had seen, or the next reaction, carbyl amine test, or it is also known as isocyanide test. 2 degree and 3 degree amine do not give this test, only primary amines give. Okay, so RNH2 primary amine plus chloroform plus ethanolic potassium hydroxide, okay, will give us RNC, that is known as isocyanide, and it is a foul smelling substance. Foul smell, तो इससे डिटेक्ट हो जाता है. प्लस 3KCl प्लस H2O. सिमिलरली ethanamine प्लस CHCl3, इसका एग्जाम्पल लिख लो, इट इज़ नॉट गिवन इन द बुक, प्लस 3KOH will give us ethane isocyanide. This compound is ethane isocyanide. Therefore, it is known as isocyanide test. Isocyanide plus KCl plus H2O. If aniline reacts with CHCl3, chloroform. CHCl3 क्या है बेटा? क्लोरोफॉर्म. और ये KOH कैसा है? इथेनॉलिक KOH. इथेनॉल में डिजॉल्व किया हुआ इथेनॉलिक KOH. So aniline plus CHCl3 plus KOH will give us, this is cyanide again. Okay, so phenyl isocyanide plus KCl plus H2O. Then reaction with HNO2. Yesterday we had also seen reaction with nitrous acid. So reaction with HNO2 में RNH2 प्राइमरी अमाइन प्लस HNO2 NaNO2 plus HCl से बना HNO2 plus NaCl, and it will give us, this is known as unstable product, which after hydrolysis gives ROH plus N2 plus HCl, right? Then comes this test is known as reaction with Hinsberg reagent. Reaction with Hinsberg या Heinsberg जो भी बोलो, Hinsberg reagent. So what is Hinsberg reagent beta? C6H5SO2Cl. This is also known as benzene sulfonyl chloride. 1 mark question के लिए prepared रहना. Okay. Structure of benzene sulfonyl chloride is phenyl का ring बनाया SO2Cl plus suppose करो primary amine से reaction हो रहा है C2H5NH2. So what will happen? H and Cl will be separated out. Okay. बाकी का C जैसे लिख दिया. तो this compound is known as plus HCl कर दो plus HCl. So it is known as N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide, right? Now this hydrogen is highly acidic. This hydrogen is highly acidic. Why? Because of presence of this SO2. So it is soluble in base, soluble in alkali. Whereas secondary amine अगर लेते हैं C2H5 C2H5NH तो इसका मान मिलेगा N-ethyl ethanamine. So in this case HCl will be formed, but here if you see in the product there is no H. So this is not soluble in alkali. Correct? So this is not soluble in alkali. Fine. Now today we will see the reactions. Today we will see electrophilic substitution reactions of amines. ठीक है. तो aniline is a resonance hybrid of 5 structures, पता ही हमको. So ortho and para position to aniline जहाँ पे NH2 attach है, we have maximum electron density. So NH2 group in ortho and para directing powerful activating group. NH2 ग्रुप कैसा है? ये ऑर्थो एंड पैरा डायरेक्टिंग है, यानी जो भी इसमें सब्सटीट्यूट होगा वो ऑर्थो एंड पैरा पोजीशन पे जाएगा. सो फर्स्ट रिएक्शन वी विल सी दैट इज ऑफ ब्रोमिनेशन. सो एनिलीन NH2 प्लस ब्रोमिनेशन 3Br2. ये कैसे होता है? ब्रोमाइन वाटर के प्रेजेंस में होता है, इसलिए ब्रोमाइन वाटर. सो इट विल फॉर्म द प्रोडक्ट 2,4,6 ट्राइब्रोमो एनिलीन. 1, 2, 4, 6. So you see 2, 4, 6 tribromoaniline plus एक HBr. So 3 bromine लिया, so 3 HBr, because 3 positions have given the hydrogen, so 3 HBr. Now you see carefully, this is ortho position and this is para position. This is again ortho. So it shows that ortho and para directing effect. The main problem in this electrophilic substitution reaction of aromatic amine is that of their very high reactive. Aromatic amines are highly reactive, while electrophilic substitution ओके. सो अगर मोनो सब्सटीट्यूटेड एनिलीन निकालना हो तो कैसे करेंगे? तो इन दिस केस एसाइलेशन विल बी डन लाइक हियर इफ आई राइट एनिलीन, दिस इज NH2, देन एसाइलेशन यानी बेटा इथेनोइक एनहाइड्राइड CH3CO twice O in presence of pyridine it is giving NCOCH3 and this side H, NHCOCH3, then bromination in presence of acetic acid CH3COOH. So it will give now monosubstituted aniline and NCOCH3 and इधर तो H है ही है. So this is known as monosubstituted bromination. Now in again this is the major product. यानी मोनोसब्स्टिट्यूटेड एनिलीन लेना हो तो इस तरह का पहले उसका एसाइलेशन करना पड़ता है, देन Br2 के साथ उसकी ट्रीटमेंट हुई, देन इट विल गिव द मेजर प्रोडक्ट, राइट. देन OH माइनस और H प्लस के प्रेजेंस में इट विल गिव NH2 and bromine. So 4-bromoaniline. This product is obtained and it is 4-bromoaniline. Clear, children? So now we will come for nitration type of reaction. Nitration. In case of nitration, aniline, नाइट्रेशन जब भी करते हैं HNO3 H2SO4 NH2 HNO3 H2SO4 and H2SO4 है, H2 कॉमा कर दो, H2SO4 and at 288 Kelvin. So it will give NH2 NO2 यानी 1 2 3 4 nitroaniline. This product is 51%. Then 3 प्लस अगर कर दें 3 nitroaniline, इसकी परसेंटेज थोड़ी लेस है, 2 3, it is 47%. Plus only 2% 2 nitroaniline. Only 2%. ठीक है. So direct nitration of aniline yields terry oxidation products in addition to nitro derivatives. So in strongly acidic medium, aniline is protonated to form the anilinium ion, which is meta directing. Okay, and that is why besides ortho and para derivatives, significant amount of meta derivative is also formed. This is ortho, meta, para. This is ortho and this is meta. So meta position पे भी इसको सब्सटीट्यूट करता है. देन हाउ सिग्निफिकेंट ऑफ अमाउंट ऑफ मेटा डेरिवेटिव फॉर्म हो गया बाय प्रोटेक्टिंग द NH2 ग्रुप बाय एसाइलेशन रिएक्शन. फिर से एसाइलेशन अगर करें विद एसिटिक एनहाइड्राइड तो नाइट्रेशन रिएक्शन कैन बी कंट्रोल्ड एंड पैरा नाइट्रो डेरिवेटिव कैन बी ऑब्टेन्ड एज द मेजर प्रोडक्ट. ठीक है, ये ऑर्थो, मेटा, पैरा. सो पैरा नाइट, इसमें तो बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट मिले, 3 तरह के प्रोडक्ट हैं. सो इफ एसाइलेशन इज डन like here, this is aniline, acetic anhydride CH3CO O2O, and here pyridine as a solvent. Then it will give us NHCOCH3, NHCOCH3. Then nitration is done, that is HNO3 H2SO4 288 Kelvin temperature. So it will give now it will give पैरा पोजीशन, ऑर्थो मेटा पैरा पोजीशन पे नाइट्रो ग्रुप आ गया. सो इट इज नोन एज पैरा नाइट्रो एसीटेनालाइड. This is major product and then it is treated with OH minus जैसे पहले किया था रिएक्शन में, और H plus, then it will give us para nitroaniline. Ortho meta para, so para nitroaniline, that is major product. So to get this mono substituted aniline, the exercise which it has to be done, that is it is treated with acetic anhydride, that is acylation is done, and then it will give us this product, and then this product is para nitroacetanilide will be given treated with OH minus or H plus, so it will give the para nitroaniline. Should I write here? Para nitroaniline. This is the major product. Then comes sulfonation. सल्फोनेशन में तो H2SO4 से ट्रीटमेंट होगा. सो एनिलीन H2SO4, it will give, the reaction is very important beta, you have to learn this reaction. So here it is NH3HSO4. समझ में, 1H इधर टच हो गया. सो NH3HSO4, दिस इज नोन एज एनिलीनियम, याद रखना नेम, एनिलीनियम दिख रहा है, हाइड्रोजन सल्फेट. देन इट इज हीटेड एट 453 to 473 Kelvin, and it will give us this is known as sulfanilic acid. SO3H लगे ना, SO3H. So what is SO3H लगाते हैं तो क्या बोलते हैं, सल्फोनिक एसिड. सो नाउ इट इज SO3H विद एनिलीन है तो सल्फेनिलिक एसिड. देन it will give ज्विटर आयन. ज्विटर आयन क्या होता है बेटा, जिसमें जो बच्चों ने बायो लिया है उसमें पता होगा, जब दोनों एसिडिक एंड बेसिक दोनों आयन प्रेजेंट हो एक पे ही, दोनों, देन इट इज नोन एज ज्विटर आयन. सो यू सी हियर NH3 प्लस एंड SO3 माइनस, सो इट विल बी नोन एज ज्विटर आयन. बोथ एसिडिक एंड बेसिक are present on the same, so it is known as Zwitter ion. Aniline reacts with, now what is the definition, aniline reacts with concentrated H2SO4. ये कैसा H2SO4 है, concentrated H2SO4, and it will form anilinium hydrogen sulfate. कुछ भी नहीं करना है, एक H यहाँ अटैच कर देना है, HSO4, anilinium hydrogen sulfate, and which on heating, हीट किया, will give us sulfanilic acid, and or it is also known as para amino benzene sulfonic acid. अगर देखें तो 1 2 3 4 एसिड का ग्रुप पहले आ जाएगा नोमेनक्लेचर में, तो 1 2 3 4 पैरा अमीनो, दिख रहा है सबको, पैरा अमीनो बेंजीन सल्फोनिक एसिड. सिर्फ बेंजीन में SO3H लगाते हैं तो बेंजीन सल्फोनिक एसिड. सो नाउ इट इज़ 1 2 3 4. क्यों इसको किया, क्योंकि एसिडिक ग्रुप का पहले आएगा. देन आफ्टर दैट it will be known as, common name तो sulfanilic acid बोलते ही हैं. it will be treated with OH minus, it will give us now after this it will give us Zwitter ion. ठीक है, this can be converted into NH3SO3. दिख रहा है, ये H इधर चला गया, so NH3 plus and SO3 minus, so this is known as Zwitter ion. ठीक है, aniline will not go Friedel-Crafts reaction, alkylation and acylation because of the salt formation with aluminum chloride. And so aluminum chloride क्या है? Lewis acid है, which is also used as catalyst in case of FCR, that is alkylation and acylation reaction. So I hope you understood this question. Then we will come. Rest of the portion of the chapter is cancelled by GSEB. Tomorrow I will explain you by a short video about the basic character, how to determine the basic strength. ठीक है, and we will start the another chapter. Okay बेटा. Meanwhile you solve the questions given in the exercise.